Welcome to QuickLearn, and now we're gonna learn how to use the round function. So the round function is quite simple. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be entering the equal to sign, type in the round word, open brackets, select the field, and for instance, we want to round it down to 1. We're gonna close the brackets. Here it is. It's going to round it down to whatever number you've set here. Now, for instance, you want to round it to the nearest 0.25, for example. So we're going to use the MRound formula for this. We're going to select the value, and for instance, you want to round it down to the nearest 0.25. Close the bracket. That is it. And for instance, if you want to round it down to the nearest 0.5, you select the number again, comma, 0.5. Close the bracket, and there you have it. It's going to round it down to the closest 0.5. Thank you very much for watching. Sign in again and watch more videos. Subscribe for more. Thank you. Have a good one.